Hey, it's Kim from Schaefer Chevrolet, showcasing our 2024 GMC Acadia AT4 with only 32,000 miles on it. This vehicle is currently priced at $39,500 with a book value of over $43,000. It does have, you can see here, the power liftgate, the remote start as well. Pop open that back. It is a nice 7-passenger vehicle with the trailering package as well. Always show underneath there. And I love that it has those rubber mats in the back, also to protect the back of your seats there as well. Nice sunroof, very spacious. Pop this back on down. And check out the color of this interior. I love the gray with a little bit of the orange stitching here. And I like how easy it is to access the back. It's just to pull the lever. Both of those seats will do that. And you can get back to your 3 passengers in the back. No rips or tears in the seats that I've noticed. Get to your passenger seat here. You do have a nice power passenger seat for your passenger. Love the headrest and everything in this vehicle. This vehicle will be backed a little bit back by the factory warranty still. I will go ahead and have to get that information because I forgot to check that out prior to the video. But check out the description and I'll make sure that I have those details in there for you. It does have the the passive entry. Nice power driver seat, power lift gate. Also check out the Bose. I don't know about you, but I love Bose. All-wheel drive system. Nice big touch screen here. All the nice controls. Has the heated seat. I think I said heated and cooled seats, which I apologize. The vehicle I was just in last time had heated and cooled. That was a Cadillac, and I did that video just before this one. This one has heated seats, guys. Just heated. And there's your dash. Cruise control. If you have any other questions in regards to this vehicle, feel free to go ahead and give me a call or text. All that information will be right in the details of the description. Have a great day.